Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We are going to unbox the T-Mobile 5G gateway. It just arrived a couple minutes ago, so let's get it out and check her out. I've been using Cox for some time, and I was quite disappointed to know that they don't have a good upload speed. It's only 10 megabits per second, which means uploading videos is not as quick as I used to have. When I was in Virginia, I had Verizon. With Verizon, I had Fios, which means gigabit down and up, about 960 down and up. Very fast. Downloading anything was super fast. Uploading videos to YouTube, man, that's like seconds. So what I'm hearing is that now that 5G is out and available, this gateway should give me speeds up to about, I'm guessing 500 and change or so. There was a new antenna put up in my area. I used to have like 1 bar of 5G on my phone. Got about 3 bars of 4G LTE. So normally in the house, I would switch it over to 4G. Some places, I got 5G, but usually never at home. They installed a new tower about a quarter mile from me, and that improved reception on my phone. So I decided I would order one of these just to see if it can improve the service. I plan to get rid of Cox because it's been over a year and I've been looking for different services to see which one I want to go with, but there don't seem to be that many choices when it comes to fast Ethernet. And the other carrier don't provide service in my area, so I've been kind of stuck. Now that the 1-year period is over, I decided it's time to look for something else. So let's open this thing up and check her out. Okay, so here's the unit. I was told there's a newer version out, which I thought they were going to send to me because I did order one. It came in and I never was able to get it to work. It would not connect. This is exactly like it. I don't think there's a newer version of this, but apparently there's some documentation about a new version. And when I spoke to one of the tech, they did say he did say he was going to order me the latest version. So I don't think this is it, but if this works, we'll see. So the box contains the 5G gateway, power cord, and an Ethernet cable. I left that in the box because we won't need that for this. It's not too heavy. It should be a good 5G connection. So let's power it on and see what we can get. According to the instructions from the last one I remember, you're supposed to plug it in, turn it on, keep it close to the window, and we should get signal. So let's power it on. All right, the last one that I had, once the T-Mobile logo came up, that's all I got. Never was able to move beyond that. I think it's in a searching state to try to find signal. And then once it finds signal, then you should be able to proceed with setting it up. Now, the antenna that I saw is pretty much that direction from where I'm standing. But on my phone, I have signal all over the house. And as of right now, I'm showing 5 signal bars, which means a strong signal. So I don't think this should make a difference if I have it next to this window or the other window. Either way should be fine. But normally it should take about 2 minutes or so, they said, before you should start setting it up. Woo. Got something on top, first time. All right, so let me run through this. Need my glasses, can't see. English. Click there. All right, so now it wants me to download the T-Mobile app. So the app is starting up. And the app is pretty good. It walks you through the process. Usually just wants you to scan the barcode on the bottom. And once you do that, it walks you through the rest of the way. So the first screen is a setup screen. I hit setup and it's thinking about it. All right, then you choose which device you have. Apparently there's a LTE gateway as well. So we'll choose a 5G. And they want to know how competent you are at using technology, I guess. So since I was a PC technician and set up Wi-Fi and things all the time, I should be able to handle this, right? Okay, so let's scan the code. All right. Okay, so let's proceed. And usually ask you to plug in, wait for the gateway to start. We won't need to do that because we've already done that. The gateway is ready, so we'll skip that portion. Yep, skip it. And check the gateway status. Ask you to do that to see if it's doing any firmware update, but it is not. Now it seems to be trying to connect to the gateway. Now that we've set up the device, it seems to be working fine. That was very quick, very easy. When it's working, unlike the last one where I spent hours messing around with it and it didn't work and I had to call support, the device works very well. Speeds are fast, and of course that's going to depend on where you are and how good the signal is in your area. I have a tower that's not too far away, so my signal is actually excellent. So I'm going to move this to someplace else in the house and see how that works. At this point, I have nothing to really share about the device other than this new one functions straight out of the box, unlike the other one that did not. And my experience on the second one has been great. Took less than 5 minutes to set up. I'm happy with that. Stay tuned for another video. I'll put out some more information on the device once I get it set up and running in my house and connected to my other unit. I will then kick Cox out and just use this only. All right, take care. See you in the next one.